Good morning, students. In our last lesson, we have discussed that food is basic requirement for all living organism, and in our food there are various substances which have different taste. Some taste sour, some taste bitter, some taste sweet, and some taste salty. The some substances which are sour, these are sour because they contain acids. Some are bitter in taste because they contain bases. Now today we are going to start our new lesson. The name of lesson is acids, bases and salts. The curd, lemon, orange juice, vinegar taste sour. These substances taste sour because they contain acid. The chemical nature of such substances is acidic. The word acid comes from Latin word acer, which means sour. The acid in these substances are natural acid. Clear to all of you? Now, there is some substances like baking soda or bitter gourd which are bitter in taste. If you rub its solution between finger, it feels soppy. And generally substances like these which are bitter in taste and feel soppy on touching are known as bases, and the nature of such substances is said to be basic. Every time we cannot check every substance by tasting it either it is acid or basic, because some substance may be harmful for our body. So there is special type of substance which are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. These substances are known as indicators. The indicator change their color when added to a solution containing an acidic or basic substance. The turmeric, litmus, china rose are some of naturally occurring indicators. Natural indicators around us. One is litmus, a natural dye. The most commonly used naturally indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichen and it has mauve color in distilled water. When added to acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to basic solution, it turns blue. It is available in form of solutions as well as form of strips of paper, and it is available as red and blue litmus paper. When you dip the red litmus paper into acidic solution, then there is no change in color, but when you dip the blue litmus paper into acidic solution, then it turns red. And when you dip red litmus paper into basic solution, then it turns blue, but when you dip blue litmus paper into basic solution, then there is no change in color. Clear to all of you? But in some substances, the solution which do not change the color of either red or blue litmus paper are known as neutral solution. These substances are neither acidic nor basic. Clear to all of you? Next indicator is turmeric. It is also a natural indicator. Take a tablespoonful of turmeric powder, add a little water and make a paste. Make turmeric paper by depositing turmeric paste on blotting paper or filter paper and drawing it. Cut thin strip of yellow paper obtained and put a drop or soap solution on strip of turmeric paper. So what you will observe, that strip will be converted into red color. Generally, you have seen that when there is a turmeric stain on white shirt, it is turned into red when it is washed with soap. It is because soap solution is basic. There is no change in turmeric color if we dip with acid solution or neutral substance solution. It only changes the color when it is dipped with basic solution and it turns into red. Now next indicator is china rose indicator, or you can say gudhal. It is pink in color And what happened when you dipped into different substances like acids or bases? See, the China rose indicator turn acidic solution to dark pink and basic solution to green color. So these are three main indicator, natural indicator which we use. Clear to all of you? And this is enough for today. Next topic we will discuss in our next part. I am sending you PDF of also this chapter, acids, bases and salts. Please go through the video of this chapter, that is acids, bases and salt. Okay, I hope all of you will be able to understand the topic. Thank you.